Hi, I'm Liam. I'm one of the biodiversity officers for Devonshire County Council, and today we're out harvesting wildflower seeds. So we've come to the end of the growing season for our meadows, and myself and the other biodiversity officer, we're out harvesting seeds from our sites. We take these seeds on to the tree nursery up at Hadau, where we grow them on into plug plants, and then we use those plug plants to reinforce and enhance other sites across the county. So today I'm out on Street of Brython in Ruthven, and we're going to be gathering some knapweed. This is one of our best wildflowers. It's got a really long flowering season, fantastic for nectar and pollen, and the invertebrates and pollinators absolutely love it. So if we grab some seeds, sorry, there's a ladybug here and I almost smushed him. It's a little 7-spot ladybug. That's always a nice find. But if we find a different one now, maybe one far away, you can pull out the top, and when you squeeze the seeds out, you end up with a decent amount of seed. So what we'll do is we'll go across the site and we'll harvest quite a lot, leaving enough for the birds. These plants are fantastic for the finch species. And I'll head over to the tree nursery later today and we'll get these sewed up ready for next year.